In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Casetify discount codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you have to search for Casetify discount codes. Right here, scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find this website which is called couponfollow.com. As you can see right here, we have a list with different types of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if I want to get this one with 50% off my next order, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can copy and apply on my next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is vouchercodes.co.uk. And if you open this website, as you can see, also we have some deals that we can use to get some discounts. And for example, if I want to get this one at 20% off, all I have to do is select get code right here. And this is the discount code that I can copy and apply on my next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.